Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special double feature unboxing for you. The last 2 months have been absolutely insane, so I apologize for not getting these unboxings up sooner. But my lack of planning on my end is a benefit for you guys because you'll get to see 2 unboxings, and I have a few more unboxings planned to share with you guys within the next couple weeks. So today what we're going to be doing is we have a double feature Korea Box K-pop album unboxing. So we have the box that I got at the end of February and the box that I got at the end of March. So I'm going to open both those boxes, go through everything I got, go through the albums. This video is going to be a little bit longer than usual, and I do apologize about that, but I really think you guys are going to like what we have in store for you from these boxes. So we're just going to get started and dive right in. As always, I've already opened the box. So first on top, we have our Instagram ad. The team at Korea Box is always happy when we share, or when you share what you get. And then we have our magazine that tells us more about the boxes that they have, some other great things that they're going to include. They now have KF94 masks and all their little individual one-off products as well. It looks like we actually have 2 magazines. We also have the February magazine with a banana box, lots of minions. More on the masks, and I love all the products that they show, and it's great that they showcase it this way because it's easy to go through. Then we have our handwritten note, and this touch from the team over at Korea Box is so nice, and I love it so much. Then we have a Fresh Guard KF94 face mask under the bubble wrap. So I had also gotten, they had new Tiny Tan Breathe Sport Pro face masks. I'm going to open that a little later as well, but what's really cool is I ordered this separately and they included it in my monthly box, so I didn't have to worry about any extra packaging. We also have a cute Koya BT21 MetaHeal bookmark. We have a Koya MetaHeal coloring page. We also have underneath that lots of Koya stuff. We have 2 of the Koya MetaHeal face point masks. And then we get to the most important part, which is our album. And it looks like it's a shiny album. So we're going to unbox that later. Underneath our shiny album, we have some BT21 stickers. All of the BT21 characters are there. And then we also have this package. So I haven't opened it yet, but it looks like the face on there is Kim So-hyun, who's one of my favorite K-drama actors. And it looks like this is actually like a little lap blanket with his face on it, 3 different photos of Kim So-hyun. I'm gonna lay this out a little bit. The fabric is really soft, so we'll take a look. So there's the first photo. So this, I'm going to use this mask all the time. And so the fact that it's washable is great. I'm going to take a look now and see what our album was. Alright, so for our album that we got this month, we got Shiny, the Story of Light, episode 3. We have our book right here in the top. snack boxes, and their new Starbucks exclusive products. So I'm a huge fan of Starbucks, and I will definitely be going to their website to check these out because, as you will ask my friends, they will tell you you can never have too many coffee mugs. They also have the ad for the tiny cups. 2. So in the last box we had Shiny, the Story of Light, episode 3 this month, and I'm opening it off camera because I do have a knife and I want to open it carefully. So this month we got Taemin, Never Gonna Dance Again, Act 2. So we're gonna get this out of the bubble wrap. This one is probably one of my favorites because of how great these photos are of Taemin. And the angles and the lighting, it's just incredible to see how the and I all of these photos, they look like different stills, almost like they are the negatives from the pictures in the photo and usually there is a poster. I'm going to take a look because it looks like there's something else in the container, and yep, sure enough, I missed the poster. So here is our poster from Taemin's album, and I love the military style jacket on him, and the red is a great color with the white background. I am so excited for this album. I have listened to it on Spotify, but now to actually own the album is so amazing, and I'm so happy that I have this subscription with KoreaBox because now I can continue to grow my collection, and I'm looking forward to hopefully there being other artists and other groups that maybe I'm not as familiar with and getting their albums so that my horizon of K-pop can grow even further. There are a couple more unboxing videos coming your way in the next couple weeks, guys. They are going to be, there's going to be a double feature Etsy unboxing, and then I have 2 very special BTS unboxings coming your way. So I hope you guys will tune in. If you like this video, if you liked any of my other unboxing videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know anytime I post. I am going to try so hard to be better about posting. I also have a couple other ideas that I'm going to share in the next couple weeks with you guys, so I really hope that you like this. As always, drop me a comment, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time.